Hello students, welcome to RG Studio. My name is Rahul. I am a teacher. In this video, I will give you information regarding Postgraduate Institute of Medical Education and Research Chandigarh, PGIMER Chandigarh, which is a reputed and prestigious medical institute of India. In this video, I will give you information regarding Postgraduate Institute of Medical Education and Research Chandigarh, Master in Public Health MPH admissions 2025-26. And in this video, information regarding PGIMER Chandigarh, Master in Public Health admissions 2025-26 important dates, and 2 years program for Master in Public Health MPH program will be discussed. And I want to give you information that students who are preparing for various university and institutes, Master in Public Health MPH, Master of Hospital Administration MHA entrance exams like PGIMER Chandigarh, AIIMS Raipur, AIIMS Rishikesh, AIIMS Jodhpur, JIPMER Puducherry, NIMHANS Bangalore, IIPH, Savitribai Phule Pune University, Lucknow University, Christian Medical College Vellore, King George Medical University Lucknow, SGPGI Lucknow, and for all other university and institutes which conducts Master in Public Health MPH, Master of Hospital Administration MHA entrance exams. And for this, if students want online or offline coaching and want important questions PDF note, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. So for online or offline coaching and important questions PDF notes, WhatsApp number is 9411513974. And for the preparation of competitive exams, there is a WhatsApp group which link you will get in description box. Kindly subscribe to the channel so that you can get the information for important videos and get the information for various admissions and jobs. Kindly like, share and comment this video. So this is the prospectus for Master in Public Health, Postgraduate Institute of Medical Education and Research Chandigarh, PGIMER Chandigarh, session July 2025. And these are the important dates. Important dates at a glance: start of PGIMER Master in Public Health online application on PGI website www.pgimer.edu.in. So registration got started on 10th of May 2025. PGIMER Master in Public Health application form closes. Last date of registration is 27th of May 2025. Computer based entrance test for Master in Public Health course 7th of June 2025 morning shift. Expected date of declaration of result 16th of June 2025. So registration last date is online registration last date 27th of May 2025, and computer based entrance test for Master MPH program will be on 7th of June 2025 morning shift. All the above mentioned dates are tentative in nature and may be subjected to change due to certain circumstances with the prior notice on PGI website. And for registration fee, application fee, these are the registration or application fee. SC/ST category rupees 1200 plus transaction charges as applicable. General OBC sponsored category rupees 1500 plus transaction charges as applicable. Person with benchmark disabilities PWBD candidates is exempted from payment of fee. All candidates are directed to deposit the above fees through online payment gateway available at Master in Public Health application portal with effect from 10th of May 2025 to 27th of May 2025. Mode of payment through debit, credit card, net banking. Payment through UPI may be avoided. So these are the fees for registration. And now I will give you information regarding the fee for program fee, 2 years program fee. So these are the information for fees and dues. The following dues are payable to the institute by the candidates admitted to the MPH course: A. Registration fee rupees 500, B. Tuition fee rupees 350 per annum, C. Laboratory fee rupees 500 per annum, D. Amalgamated fund rupees 720 per annum, E. Security rupees 1000, refundable only after completion of course. Examination fee rupees 1000. So in this way Total 1 year program fee is only rupees 4,500 around. So approximately 2 years program fee for Postgraduate Institute of Medical Education and Research PGIMER Chandigarh is only approximately rupees 9,000. So PGIMER is providing 2 years Master in Public Health program, and fee is for 2 years program is only approximately 9,000 only. So there are some information regarding the fee payment. The first installment of fee of 1 year, that is registration fee, tuition fee, laboratory fee, amalgamated fund and security deposit will have to be deposited on allotment of seat admission to the course immediately. Second year fee, that is tuition fee, laboratory fee and amalgamated fund will have to be deposited by 15th day of January for January session and 15th July for July session till completion of course. First है यहाँ पे fees and other charges once paid shall not be refunded in any case, including that of a candidate leaving the institute before the completion of her term or not joining the institute for any reason. Second, the dues must be paid by the prescribed date. For late payment, a fine of ₹5 per day will be charged up to a maximum of 15 days. After 15 days, the name of the non-paying candidate shall be struck off from the rolls of the institute for readmission. If otherwise eligible, a sum of ₹500 will be charged as re-registration fee in addition to the fine. Such a candidate will have to repeat the period of her training for which she remains off the rolls. Third, security will be released only after the receipt of the no due certificate on completion of the duration of course. No security will be released to those candidates who do not join or discontinue the course midway. So this is the information regarding PGIMER Chandigarh 2 years program fee, which is only approximately around 9,000 for 2 years program. So this is a very less fee, in very less amount. PGIMER Chandigarh is providing 2 years Master in Public Health program. And I want to give you information that students who are preparing for various university and institutes, Master in Public Health, MPH, Master of Hospital Administration, MHA programs like AIMS, CUT, PG, JIPMER, NIMHANS, IIPH, and for all other university and institutes. And for this, if they want online or offline coaching and want important questions PDF note, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. Thanks for watching this video.